So let's talk about the bidet, because this is where the magic happens, where the hygiene happens, and honestly, it is a feature that I cannot live without. So you have a very, very clean look here. I love that there's no awkward control panels on the side. Sometimes that can look kind of non-aesthetic, and it can be a little bit confusing and overwhelming. It doesn't look clean and modern and streamlined. Instead, for your bidet, you just have a simple knob here on the back. Very, very easy, super intuitive, super simple. Anyone in your family can use it. And you have really intuitive controls. Again, you have both a feminine wash and a posterior wash, and you can control the water pressure with just the dial. Let's check it out. So I turn back. You see, we can turn all the way up, or we can turn much lighter. And then we can turn towards the front. Same thing, more or less water pressure depending on how much you turn the dial. You've got your front wash, you've got your back wash. It's all super simple, super intuitive, super easy and streamlined, and requires no extra accoutrement, no remote that might be replaced across the room, and nothing bulky on the side, keeping everything clean, modern, and easy to use and functional.